Whenever she is with us, you can feel her angelic presence and surely softens your heart with her gentle voice. Julian, now on your 7th birthday, a lifelong journey will embark, and surely it will be full of surprises, mysteries, and challenges. Along your way, may the light of this candle help you treasure every memories of your childhood, impart every love showered on you by your family and loved ones, and remember to always bring out the best and brightest on you. You alone hold the very definition of your future, and your actions will determine your destinies, and above all else, seek God's guidance on every triumph and struggles of life. Do not falter on any challenges of life, may it be man-made or natural. Always keep in mind and in your heart, our love for you will enlighten you in your undertakings. We can offer you the best guidance on our perspective. We will help you on every hardship and provide honest advices. We can only ask one from you. Just walk the way towards absolute success and happiness. I wish you all the best and may you have countless blessings ahead of you. I love you, babe.
Okay, thank you, Ma'am Maynila. Okay. And last, to complete our 7 candles, Maria Jasmine Bautista, the mother of the birthday celebrant.
Joy, happy birthday to our pride and joy. No matter how many birthdays come and go, you'll always be my little girl. May you grow sweeter with each passing year. You are my one true treasure. I am so glad that God gave me a daughter like you. May your life flourish with a multitude of marvelous things. My wish for you is a better tomorrow that is full of promise and hope. My wish for you is that you will never give up and that your inner strength will help you feel you're at the end of your rope. My wish for you is happiness and that you get a taste of all good things. My wish for you to have a wonderful life and all that it shall bring. Happy, happy birthday, Julia Nicole. May the good Lord bless and keep you, and the virtue of the Blessed Mother guide you to the holiness all days of your life. Love you, baby.
Okay, thank you very much for me. And okay, ma'am, assist na lang po natin si ate and samahan natin sa cake. Ayan, ito na po yung moment na inaantay ng ating birthday celebrant, ang blowing of candles on cake ceremony. Okay, so ganito po, kakanta po tayong lahat, a cappella po. Ayan, a cappella, yung magandang kanta, yung masaya, at may kasamang palakpak. Ayan. Okay, in a count of 3, everybody sing. Okay, 1,